Hi everyone. Today we want to highlight some exciting capabilities that Simcenter 3D for Aerostructures now provides with the release of version 2312. We'll look at both FEM and margin of safety today. Starting off in FEM, with 2312, you can now target specific include files, not only for selected elements, nodes, and coordinate systems, but now also for properties and materials. This concept was introduced back with version 2212, but it only focused on elements, nodes, and CSIS. This version has widened to materials and properties, and with the 2312 release, it works with both import and export on mesh, materials, and properties. So what does this mean? Now, not only can you set up your include strategy from within Simcenter 3D, but you can also directly inherit this strategy from an existing bulk data file already split into several includes, which eliminates those further steps beyond your pre-processing. When dealing with a complete GFEM model, it's necessary to have a good understanding of properties related to 2D and 1D meshes for a small area. Like, for instance, a stiffened panel of a wing, but the challenge becomes, how do we focus on a small subset of meshes and collectors to make edits from, while in the model containing a huge amount of them? The new focused mode available in FEM restricts the navigator to meshes and collectors you only want to focus on, and it goes very smoothly. Just select collectors and or the meshes you want to focus on, either from the 3D of the simulation navigator. You'll see a new add to focused mode command. Once you have selected what you wanted, go to the simulation navigator and it will allow you to switch to focused mode. This mode mimics the display of the standard mode, except that it only contains the entities you've selected previously. If you're still missing some meshes to collectors, you can go back and forth and either add to or remove from the focused mode. If you want a visual clue about what we're focused on, there's a new shortcut in the visibility section of the ribbon bar, which enables users to show only what's in the focused mode. If you want to review or edit the properties of the selected collectors, you just go to the physical properties table. A new checkbox is available here to restrict only the properties used in the focused items. From there, you can multi-edit properties to change all materials in one go. There's a few other great additions here in FEM that I won't be covering today, but I would point you to the free body diagram and the nodal force report, allowing you to truly target a summed result as well as arranging your solutions into folders and subfolders. Now, with regards to margin of safety, specifically load case filtering, where it's used to require continuous improvements to cope to an almost unreachable number of calculations and load cases requiring annotation. By providing users with several enhancements with this release, whether you have annotation or not, can smooth and speed up the daily usage. The checkbox can be directly used to switch the annotation visibility. Now, say you go deeper in the setup of your calculations, you're now at the load extraction setup level. Typically, if you wanted to be sure of your setups, you would request a preview of values, which it can take a significant amount of time depending on the number of load cases. Now, you can avoid that unnecessary time by setting the maximum number of load cases. Now, it defaults to 5, but you can raise or lower depending on your situation. The last feature worth mentioning has to do with the nodal force reports. 2312's path not only provides the basic brick for shear moment torque diagrams, but can also be used in load case filtering to automate the selection of critical load cases through the convex hull at each section. This solves the issue of finding the most critical load cases using the envelope of the SMT diagrams at various sections of the aircraft. So these were just a few feature updates inside of Aerostructures. This really is a comprehensive update, and it's across all of the disciplines. And we hope to cover those other disciplines in future videos. So please keep tuning in and share these with whomever may benefit. Thanks for watching.